Hello everyone, this is Tomtec. My name is Thomas, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to remove background from any image. First of all, open your Chrome browser and enter www.remove.bg. www.remove.bg. Okay, so take your time and type well. I have already entered this several times, so it's already on my browser. Okay, so enter upload image, and it will take you straight to your photo library. Select the photo you want to use. So you open. If your photos are grouped like mine, you go to the appropriate gallery to select. So look for the image and select. Make sure the image is already on the phone. Okay, so you go through it. Alright, so we've selected, and our image is going to be uploaded, and the background will be removed automatically. You don't have to do anything. Yes, it's complete, and our image is also prepared. The background is automatically removed. Then go to download to get the image on the phone. Now the image is downloaded, and we have to save it. Long press on the screen and choose save image. Alright, now our image is saved onto the phone. Our image is saved. Now if you are using a computer, you can also do the same, but on a computer you have save buttons where you can press, but if your phone do not have it, long press it. Okay, now our image is saved in our photo gallery or photo library, and that is it. You select and view. So this is it. You have a plain background, and it's original image. This is how the background look like. You can use it for your design now. So that's the design.
Tomtec Global, your digital marketing agency.
So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.